day, wouldn't it, baby? Exhausted, actually. Them doors are heavy, weren't they, baby? You gotta get a jack, 2-ton jack. You know, this is what it looks like from the inside. And then when I get going, and I cut this out, and then cut it into the next container, we'll have the container. And I've already done that, so that's not a problem. The biggest part is trying to get these windows in here tight so when you weld them up, you haven't got a big gap. This window here still has to go up 3 inches. We've knocked it up 3 inches on the bottom of this one. Because when we go to build the deck, I felt the window was down too low. And that's what you do. When something's different, you just change it on the next one. We learned on the first one, and we changed it on the second one. Now we got the second one, then we got the third one, we got the fourth one, all done. But it's going good. Boy, this is gonna be a sauna in here. I'm gonna have to call Danny Brown. See if he's got that ventilating system. Roy Brown, I wanna thank Roy Brown for collecting everything for me. That just goes to show you, right there, like all these windows and doors and all that stuff. Roy was gonna build himself a shop, and just like everybody else, we're all gonna do this, we're all gonna do that. But in all truth of the matter, we are all just caretakers for the next person. We're all just caretakers for the next person. Everything falls in place. I thank Roy Brown for looking after them windows. Ada looking dandy. I appreciate it. Used to them. As we work hard here, or as we work hard here, me and Jolene, and whoever's near, we work hard here. We sleep good at night. Ooh, do we sleep good? Don't we, baby?
Yeah.
Huh? And that's one thing you get out of a good day's work. Yes? Try to clean up a little bit for tomorrow. Right, baby?
Yep.
Yeah, clean up a little bit for tomorrow. Make sure everything's cleaned up. I work sometimes I work very fast on things sometimes. I fell today. Jolene had a hell of a bust of my gut. Didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, had a hell of a bust of my gut. Also, sometimes this stuff is in the way when you're trying to do something, but that metal is damn heavy. To wrestle this stuff around, like, is quite something else. And then to wrestle it after you cut it with a grinder, with a zip cut, that is sharp as razor blades, you have to be very careful. Very careful. But I'm very happy with the progress. My brains are thinking all the time, but I'm happy with the progress in the last 3 days. We got a window or a door in every day, plus we got a frame made, and we had to go get the metal, we had to weld it all together. Had to cut the holes. We use cheap zip cuts. We went to Jolene's got a connection at the dollar store. And you get 2 zip cuts for $3. And 1 zip cut will generally do one line. So $3 per every 2 cuts. So it's $6, probably a cut for a window, right? Cut a window or a door out. I can't stop looking at it. Very happy with it. If you can imagine it with some paint on it and an exhaust pipe that I'm thinking about putting on it, it's gotta look just as good as any other old damn spot, isn't it, baby? Huh? Just as good as any other old damn spot. Ouch! Bit my ankle. See that? Huh? See that bite my ankle? Huh? Another good laugh too, eh? Huh? I don't blame you, sweetheart. I'd love to. Just got the top of my foot too. I love it. I love this thing.